Hello everyone, this is Kelly. Today it's my honor to introduce you our products and solutions for digital hospital. The first product here is our digital paper. It's 25.3 inch, and you can see from here, this is the full color display, and it's very slim and easy to mount. And the most advantage of this product is it's very low power and easy for installation. So no matter if you want to mount on the wall, mount on the desktop, it's all fine. So this product has the very good advantage when you're using a smart hospital, especially if you need the low power advantage for environment concern. The second product is our 10.1 inch tablet. As you can see from here, it looks very ruggedized, but in fact it's very lightweight, only 1 kilograms. So as you can see here, it's the medical grade tablet, and it passed global certifications. Besides it, we have the built-in NFC and also some optional barcode readers, marker readers. So if you want to move around, you can easily scan the patient data, nurse identification. We also have a lot of optional keys such as desktop stand and also the strap. So if you want to just carry it out, it's also easy for your move around use. So this product is our bedside terminal. So you can see from here, it has the 11th generation, the Intel 11th generation processor. So it's in the very latest CPU platform. And you can see from here, the optional handset facilitate the patient communication with the nurse station or some doctors if you want some emergent communications. The last one is our solutions for AI. This is also an all-in-one panel PC, medical grade, but it has the built-in DICOM compliant, so it can view the images, very quality images, and also some with the intuitive touch screen and also the flat screen. Even during the pandemic, you can still very easily clean and disinfect the panels without no problem. And we also have a built-in battery system from here. So with the hot swappable design, it can power the medical panel PC with non-stop operation, facilitate the regular operation in the nurse station, OR room, and some other hospital applications.